Face forward.
Face forward!
Face the other way.
Pulled over, had guns drawn on them, and were put in handcuffs.
She's 16 years old.
That's okay. Stay right there.
Why do you have a gun on her?
This is what I'm fucking talking about people on this goddamn shift not knowing what they're doing.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On New Year's Day in 2024, the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office conducted a felony stop on a vehicle they believed to be stolen.
Oldsman, we have them stopped right at the entrance of Bay Arbor.
Driver, step out of the vehicle.
Hands up!
Driver and all passengers, hands up. Driver, step out of the vehicle with your hands up.
Face away from us.
me.
Face forward.
Passenger, stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle. Driver, take 2 steps to the left with your hands up. With your left hand, pick the back of your collared shirt up and do a circle. Yep. Lift it up and do a circle. Spin to your left. Spin. Keep spinning. Stop. You want to take him over there?
Just have them come towards the center.
Driver, take 3 steps to your left.
Face forward.
Face forward.
Face forward.
Face the other way. Take 4 steps to your left. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop.
I'll take it from here. I got him. Hands back. Behind your back. Behind your back.
My 16-year-old daughter's in the car. Can I ask what's going on?
I'm confirming a couple of things right now, brother. Is that your car?
Yeah.
Okay. To your knowledge, everything's 10-4 on that? Yeah. All right, go ahead and get up. Step back with me. Take a seat inside.
That's my 16-year-old daughter.
Just take a seat inside.
She's got epilepsy.
It's okay. We'll handle it with that as it is, okay? Take a seat.
Can I ask what's going on?
Stay right there.
As the officers removed the occupants, several other cruisers raced to the scene.
Just gonna commit to going 1018.
You can. We just ain't gonna drive crazy to get to a sick time. Now, do you see how there's just a bunch of dead air and we don't know what's happening at all?
Yeah.
They need to be updating us on what's going on. Don't turn where he turned, he's wrong. Their map is showing forward on the left. Yeah, I don't know where he's going. Somebody's GPS that ain't working. Yeah, he went wrong. Get to the left lanes. Alright, so angle just behind this car because we're gonna get up there and help with this felony stop.
Okay.
Takedowns on. We'll contact you. Bring her over here, we'll do your contact team.
Yeah, she's not pulling
Alright, keep giving her commands, we'll be your contact team.
She's 16 years old.
That's okay. Stay right there.
Why do you have a gun on her? She's got epilepsy. What is going on?
With your left hand, pull the back of your jacket up so I can see your waistline. Pull it up. Farther. All right. Turn to your left. To your left. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. All the way around. All right, stop.
What are you doing?
How many people are in the car?
Just her.
Just her.
Bring her back over to here.
All right, take a couple steps back. A couple steps back. All right.
Bring her
Start
to your
taking
left.
steps to your left while facing that direction.
She's a special needs child. What are
Okay,
you doing?
that's fine.
You're not fine. She doesn't understand.
Keep going. Keep going.
Officer. She doesn't understand what's going on.
Stop talking.
Hey, ask him how many people are in this car.
Keep going.
How many people are in this car?
Just one.
Keep going.
Just her.
All right, stop.
Come back towards the sound of my voice.
She's 16.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Somebody needs to have my cover, so you need to have my cover.
Passenger in the rear, hands up.
Are we clearing her or are we waiting for a shield?
Passenger, hands up.
Keep coming back towards the sound of my voice. Back. Someone have my cover? Back. Come back here, all the way back, all the way back. Is there anybody else in that car? Just you? You were the last person?
Passenger in the rear, hands up.
Come over here. Keep challenging the car.
Yeah, we're gonna clear it. Just keep it 10 brief now. Anybody got a shield? So we can clear it.
Hands up.
Anybody got a shield when we walk up?
Passenger, hands up.
You're the only person that was last in that car? Let me know now, because somebody's liable to get hurt if you don't let us know, okay? All right.
Just me and my dad.
Just you and your dad? Okay.
Got anything on you?
No.
Do you have a bra on under here?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna shake your shirt out. Nothing that's gonna poke you or hurting you? Okay. I'm gonna put you in the back of this car. I'll explain to you what's going on in a second, okay? You can walk back into this shoe. I don't know where your other one is, but I'll bring it to you, okay?
Nearly 5 minutes into the traffic stop, a backup officer finally decided to check if they have the right vehicle.
74, can you confirm tag November Mike Lima Yankee 69 white Kia Forte?
Yeah, bye. Bridge 74, November Mike Lima Yankee 69 2023 white Kia. That's not signal 10.
Oh my.
License that was run was November Mike Lima 769.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
Wrong vehicle. So, wrong vehicle, guys, so be careful.
We'll move up, clear it from the side. While they got ready.
Yep.
Clear it anyway. Just clear it. All right.
Passenger in the rear, step out, your hands
Okay,
up.
I'll bring it for you. Come out here. I'm gonna get you out of these handcuffs. So what happened was,
Passenger in the rear,
come
come
back
out, your
here.
hands up.
Hey, did you hear that, Moses? They said not SIG 10.
I was at the wrong vehicle. They confirmed it. It's stolen right away.
I'm gonna get you out of these handcuffs. Hey, the car's not SIG 10.
Comes up as 610. Yeah. Comes back as 610.
What's happening is that this car, it was coming back as stolen for the deputy that was behind you, but we've just confirmed that car's not stolen. I'm getting her out of cuffs. What? All right, so we'll explain that to you, and your dad's getting out of handcuffs right now, okay? You all right? Okay, you can have a seat on that. Actually, don't, because it's wet. Let me try and find you your shoe. Hey, the car's not SIG 10.
Hey, can we shut these lights off? She's epileptic.
Okay, do you have it with you?
Hey, can you kill your lights?
6'9", not Yankee 6'9".
Can you kill your lights? She's epileptic.
What's that?
She's epileptic. Can you kill your lights?
Yeah.
Are you feeling okay? Do you want medics?
No.
Do you take any medicine?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have it with you?
Hey, can you kill your lights?
Okay.
6'9",
We'll get it.
6'9".
Here you go. We'll try to get those lights off for you. Come up. You can come have a seat in your car. We'll get your dad for you, okay?
All right. So this is your car, correct?
Yes.
Okay. It's registered to you and everything.
Yes.
You live in Bay Harbor?
No,
Okay.
she does.
She
I'm
lives
taking
in
her to her
Bay
mom's
Harbor.
house.
The reason why we're doing this,
Yeah.
okay, we had a hit on your vehicle saying that it was stolen. Okay. That's why we're doing the things that we're doing. Okay. That's the only reason. Okay, you can hop on out for me though. Okay?
How would it be stolen?
Again, we just had a hit on it. We're just,
What does that mean?
So we have license plate readers in our vehicle.
Yeah.
I'll take your handcuffs off, boss. You're okay. Okay.
I mean, I just got that.
That's fine. All right.
I don't understand why you put her in handcuffs. And there's no one else in that vehicle. Literally.
Okay.
Sir, I'm just.
No, it's okay. Again, so that's why I'm explaining it to you. Okay, we got a hit on your license plate.
So what am I supposed to? So what am I supposed to do about that?
So that's why you're
Can
good.
I take this
Go
off?
ahead, brother. You're good. Okay. That's why I'm explaining. That's why I'm just explaining everything to you. So
Where
you
is
understand.
she?
She's in that other vehicle. She's probably getting stretched out right now.
So what does that mean? There's a hit. Like I don't understand.
So again,
what that
so
means.
you see our little. I'll even show it to you so that you can understand exactly.
She's
what
just gonna have a
happened.
seat in the car.
Okay. So
Hey, sir,
you
did
see-
anybody explain to you what the heck just happened? Okay.
I'm explaining it to him
And
right
we'll get
now.
a supervisor over here for you as well, okay?
So you see that little camera that's right there beyond my my rear view mirror?
Yeah.
So that's also a license plate reader. Okay. So we got a hit on your vehicle saying that it was stolen.
But it's fully registered.
Yeah. Which again, that's why I'm saying we had a hit on it, which is why we did what we did. Okay. Just so then we can kind of explain everything and let you understand what's going on.
I'm getting a tenant. Alright, we're getting the fuck out of here. Fucking morons.
Well, that sucks. Yeah, grow up, buddy. Yeah. Did I stutter? Yeah, people make mistakes. Get over yourself.
You could have got somebody killed.
Oh, get over yourself. You're such a
Hey, stay. Hey, 10-12. Okay. That's why we're just explaining everything to you, okay? Just so you kind of understand what's going on.
My LPR went off. It showed SIG 10. Or I was off.
So am I under arrest?
Not at all. Okay. That's why we're just explaining.
So
it to
this,
you.
if this happens,
That's why we're gonna get this all taken care of, and we're gonna document.
How does that happen?
So again, it's sometimes just user error. It could be user error, or it could be again FCIC,
my LPR went
NCIC.
off and it popped up as stolen.
Yeah. So FCIC, NCIC, which is the guys that work through the DMV,
Right.
that say like, oh yeah, license plate information, driver information,
So
all
even
that
though
stuff.
my registration is just like November, it was just renewed and stuff. Like
Yeah.
how does
So
that-
again, somebody may have just put in a clerical error. So then again, it could be handled that way. Okay.
My apologies.
So
It happens,
we're still
but-
gonna be documenting everything. So then this hopefully doesn't happen to you in the future.
Right.
Okay. We appreciate the fact that you're super cooperative with us.
Well, I mean,
Which is it?
my
We
family.
could
my
have a chat with him.
Again, you kind of get we
Well,
see.
no, I don't get. I mean, I don't know. I thought like commit a murder or something, man. Like this.
No. All right, let's move out of the road.
So
I just didn't. You know, I'm just concerned.
no, I get you, brotber. Like I said, yeah, go ahead. You're good. Do your thing.
Finally, a supervisor meets with the father to explain what happened.
I'm assuming he explained to you everything that happened. Do you have any questions about it?
I mean, it's just that
it's concerning.
it's very concerning.
Yeah.
But like I said, I got a 16-year-old daughter. That
Absolutely. Even if it was just you, it's still.
I know, but I'm saying she's a special needs child. They put her in handcuffs. I mean, you know, she has epilepsy, and she's been so good for the past like 2 or 3 years without the seizures. I don't know if this is going to spring something on. So yeah, it's very concerning and very scary. So like, you know, for like, literally, I was just taking her from my house to bring her back to her mom's house. So it's just, you know, we were all in a good mood. We just had dinner. We're watching the football game, and next 5 minutes later, we're in handcuffs, and she's in the back of the police car. Like, I mean, but I just don't understand how the system. Like I said, it's my car. You know, my registration,
yeah,
tags the same.
That
I just
I don't
bought
know.
the card brand new, you know, like 3 months ago.
Okay.
So
yeah, that I don't know. I mean, sometimes obviously we have the license plate readers. It reads tags, and we have to confirm it. But I don't know what the image looked like when it came through, because sometimes it can skew numbers, and that could be it. Obviously, we have to go off of what's in front of us at the time, and
Sure,
then
no, I get
obviously
it.
figure it all out once everyone's
Get it.
safe. So,
Cam, I'm gonna shut this real quick.
in which I'm sure they said, but I am truly sorry that you had to go through this.
All three of those guys had guns drawn.
I know. I know.
What if she like made a sudden move that she's not aware of?
And luckily it didn't. But I get it. I understand. I'd be the same way if I was in your shoes. The only thing I can do is, hey, we'll document it, apologize, for the inconvenience.
Could you like let her know? Like,
Absolutely, yeah, we can talk to her. Yeah, no, absolutely, everything is fine. Everything is fine.
My name's Deputy June. I'm kind of going to explain to you kind of everything that happened, okay, the reason why we're doing things.
What's up, George?
The license plate on the car came back saying it was stolen. Obviously, it's not stolen. That's your dad's.
I just wanted to make sure that you had all your questions answered. If you have any concerns.
I don't have concerns. Listen, I'm not a troublemaker. I'm not, you know what I mean? I'm just, but it's kind of shaking me up a little bit, you know what I mean? Like having guns drawn.
Absolutely. I feel the same way.
Car, so.
Here's my card. My contact information's at the top. If you have any further questions, concerns, I will get you the report number. This will all be documented. Obviously, we all have cameras, so everything is audio recorded and visually. But like I said, I mean, sometimes the technology fails us. We have to take action on what we see. I'm very grateful that nothing did happen. I appreciate y'all's cooperation. I'm sure it was very stressful.
Yeah, a little bit.
But at the end of the day, mistakes are made. So, I'm going to look into it a little further and find out where I can give you a call back if you'd like, just with the outcome of my findings. But I'm just glad that you're okay and that she's okay.
Yeah, she'll be all right. She'll be fine. Appreciate it.
All right, not a problem. And you already gave your information to
he's already got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can give him my card, my name.
Yeah, I just gave him. You want to just give him the report number? I gave him my card.
Oh my goodness.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. I apologize again. That's the case number. And then that's my name.
Okay. All right. Appreciate it, man.
All right.
You free? You good to go?
That's good.
All right.
Let's just 56 in this big parking lot back here, just so I can debrief, find out what I need to tell LT, because I'm sure he's going to want to know.
Can we figure out if, it's obviously my fuck up, but if like the LPR hit or if
The deputies shut down their body cams, and fortunately, everyone leaves the scene.
Yeah.
The father now intends to file a lawsuit.
We just met with the attorneys representing a Pinellas County family who says their car was mistaken for a stolen vehicle. The incident report says the deputy commanded Federico and his daughter at gunpoint to get out of the car before putting them both in handcuffs.
They put the handcuffs on her. And at that point, I'm screaming at the deputies, she's 16, she has epilepsy, the flashing lights, like what is going on? And again, was getting nothing.
Federico says the deputy never asked him to confirm his identity. And the report says the deputy admits he made an error when running Federico's license plate. His tag is registered in Florida, and deputies were looking for a stolen vehicle with similar tags, but registered out of New Mexico.
That should trigger an officer to second guess himself before ordering an individual who's completely innocent out of his car, and even worse, with guns raised and pointing the guns at that individual and his daughter.
We're told the sheriff is aware of the incident but has not had a chance to review the case from January. Meanwhile, Federico says this should have never happened to begin with, but he hopes proper training will be enforced as his family works to heal from the trauma.
My daughter actually sat there and looked at me with tears in her eyes and said, I thought they were going to kill you.
As always, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and be sure to check out another episode linked on screen.